Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick walk around, we're taking a look at my white 2020 Nissan Pathfinder Rock Creek. For those of you keeping track, this is the R52 generation. And as you can see, we've got her outfitted with a Yakima roof box up top, ready for whatever the weekend throws at it. Let's dive underneath the SUV and check out the fix. Right here are the newly installed Dobinsons heavy-duty rear coil springs. That's part number C45423. That annoying rear sag is completely eliminated. She sits perfectly level, even with a load. If you have any questions about the Dobinsons springs, the lift, or the Rock Creek build, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the rig. Catch you in the next one.